Have you ever spent hours making a presentation, choosing a design, writing content, finding images, and still the presentation doesn't look professional? Now imagine creating a beautiful presentation in just a few minutes. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. In today's video, I'll show you how professionals are using AI to create better presentations faster than ever before. You'll also learn a simple method to save time while making your presentations look more professional. Let's get started. First, let's understand what an AI presentation is. An AI presentation tool helps you create slides automatically. Instead of designing every slide yourself, you simply tell the AI your topic. For example, benefits of artificial intelligence. Within a few seconds, AI can suggest titles, create slide content, organize information, and even recommend images and layouts. This means you spend less time designing and more time preparing your ideas. So why are more professionals using AI for presentations? Because it saves time. Imagine your manager asks you to prepare a presentation before tomorrow's meeting. Instead of spending 3 hours creating slides, AI can help you prepare a first draft in just a few minutes. AI also helps you organize information clearly. Your presentation becomes easier to understand. Many AI tools even suggest modern designs that make your slides look clean and professional. This is especially useful for students, teachers, freelancers, and office workers. Now let's talk about the right way to use AI. Step 1. Start with a clear topic. Instead of writing business right, 5 ways small businesses can use AI to improve customer service. A clear topic gives better results. Step 2. Read every slide carefully. Never copy everything without checking it. Sometimes AI can make mistakes. Always make sure the information is correct. Step 3. Add your own ideas. AI should help you. It should not replace your thinking. Your personal experience, examples, and opinions make your presentation unique. Step 4. Keep your slides simple. Don't fill every slide with long paragraphs. Use short points. Add useful images. Speak confidently while presenting. Remember, people are listening to you, not reading your slides. Many AI presentation tools are available today. Some popular ones include Gamma, Canva Magic Design, Beautiful.ai, and Microsoft Copilot. Each tool can help you create professional presentations much faster. Choose the one that matches your needs and practice using it regularly. The more you practice, the better your presentations will become. Let's quickly review today's lesson. AI can help you create presentations faster. It saves time. It improves design. It organizes information clearly. But remember one important thing. AI is your assistant, not your replacement. Always check the information and add your own ideas before presenting. That's what makes a presentation truly professional. I hope this video helped you understand how AI can make presentation creation easier and faster. In the next video, we'll explore another practical AI skill that professionals are already using to work smarter and stay ahead. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to FutureSkill Hub and join us as we learn modern skills for future success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.